Hello Rosies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to adjust the coilover for the front suspension of the Lexus. So I'll show how to do it. Okay? If we go have a look on the other side, you can see. You see? You see when I measure it, it's straight here. Look at that. It's totally touching my finger now when I do that. On the other side, kind of like a look, way too high on this side here. Look at that, way too high. Now, so I need to bring it down more. Look at that, bring it down more. So first, put a support on both sides so that it doesn't move, and
No,
turn on the handbrake. Do the handbrake. Lift it up the handbrake and put in park. Now also put in jack to lift it up. This one. You don't need to remove this when you change the coil over. A lot of people are actually removing it, but if you can manage to go on this side, okay, my brothers, the position has to be like this. Okay, you lift it up on the right side. Don't worry about on the other side, because if you're happy how it was, leave it as it is. Okay, if you think it's uneven, then you use which one you like. You bring it down or you bring it up. But this one here, I'm gonna bring it down. Okay, so that's why the position of the wheels is on the right side. Okay, so I'll show you how it's been doing. As you can see from that side, so this is actually the bottom. This is the top. Okay, so when you actually bring it down, so you adjust this, you go right. So I'll show you how to do it. So I've already managed to lift it up, and I turn it on. I turn it on the engine so I can turn my wheels on the right side. Okay, so after that you turn it off, then you go over here, and what you do is you go on that side. So you lose this one here, how much you need it. Let's say for example when you measure it, you can use centimeter or millimeter. It depends how you use it in your country. So you go with 10 millimeter or 10 centimeter, and then you chase it up from this side here, and this one here. So when you do it, you can measure it from this side. See, from here, from that one to that side. Okay, from here, from below. Okay, or you can measure it from this side, or this side, or that side. It's up to you how you do it. Okay, but when you actually try to bring it down, so I make sure I have this one here, this gap. Anyway, what you do is okay, now I'm going to make an adjustment to bring it down. So I have actually lose this one here, so I'll lose that on that side. Now I'm going to bring it down. If I bring it down, you go only clockwise. Okay, you have enough room to do it. See, I'm doing it on, even the ties are like this. See, can you see that? Now, as you can see, yeah, I'm moving it, okay, because it's hard to use. It's hard to use it without only one hand. So I'll probably get my camera stand and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, brothers, now we remove everything. We remove the jack. So let's now measure it from the middle. We do it from the middle, from here, and you put your finger, the two finger here, just like that, and you put it underneath, there, just touching it, both sides in here, touching it, and in here, I'm touching it, this side as well, see, with my second finger, is it a third finger or fourth finger? Okay, so now we go on the other side. Now check if it's even. Go here in the middle. We check, and we just insert it there. See that? And they're now even. Okay, look, see? Now I'm touching on this side as well. See? Yeah. So we're going for a spin and see if it's going to make something. But I doubt it. Okay? So that's how you do it. I'm gonna start now and roll it. Okay? That's how you change your this is how you adjust your coilover for your front suspension. Okay? Thank you for watching. If you don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?